what's up and welcome to the new room.
Hold on. Can we change the beat?
I'm sorry, this is gonna be a mess. So in this video, we are going to get my closets together because I feel like that's what I need most right now so I can have clothes to wear. So far, I just put some of my hangers out because I got some hangers for Christmas. So I went ahead and unboxed them and put them out. I put some of my shoes on these racks. I don't know if I'm gonna keep my shoes there, but that's where I want them for now. Here's a box that has clothes in it. That's a box that has clothes in it. So I'm on FaceTime with Marangely, but I'm gonna just start putting away my clothes onto the hangers and yada yada yada.
Can I tell them something?
Yeah.
Hi guys. 2021, am I right? That's all I wanted to say.
Going back in the AirPod now. Here is the first box of clothes, so we're just gonna start hanging them up. Okay, so here's all the clothes that I put away for now, but I just thought about it and I want to go do my laundry from all the clothes that I've worn for the past few weeks. So let's go to the laundry room. Alright, back from the laundry room, let's get back to setting everything outside. Okay, so here's what I've got so far, and I'm going to just take a break, but I'll get back to y'all whenever my clothes are out of the laundry, and then we'll see where I am from there. Here's the laundry room. Alright, we put away all the clothes, so I think we're done. So I'm just gonna go through, clean everything, straighten everything out so then it can look kind of decent. Alright, so when you come over here, we have my jackets and hoodies and stuff on this little section. On the top there, we have like special occasion stuff. So basically they're like t-shirts that have the theme to like a holiday or like my swimsuits. Here we have tank tops to wear like undershirts. Then we have actual tank tops that are like shirts. We have some nicer shirts here. We have crop top. We have shirts with designs on it, and then we have plain shirts. Down there we have dresses. Here we have soccer jerseys. And then my bottoms are all across this row. We have like my thinner sweatpants, joggers, thicker sweatpants, then we have leggings with designs. We have skinny blue jeans, and we have black and white jeans. We have more of a baggier look jeans, and then same thing over here. Then we have blue jean shorts, and then black and white jean shorts. We have a skirt right there. Then we have shorts that are longer, and then we have shorts that are smaller, but they're like comfortable. And then pajama pants. And then here's where I'm keeping my extra hangers. And then those are just 3 shirts that came out of pajama sets, so they're just pajama shirts. And then moving back on here, we have shirts that are like hoodies, but they're more meant to be shirts. And then we have long sleeves that are thicker with no hood. And then we have long long sleeves that are thinner, so just normal long sleeves. And then we have like cropped jacket kind of thing, so like basically shirts but jackets, I don't know. And then over here we have my shoes. And then down here I just have my quince doll and then my sewing stuff. I'm gonna put like my quince dress and probably like some extra stuff over on this shelf to hang. But again, I just gotta find it somewhere over there. So obviously my closet isn't completely done. I basically just put away the clothing and stuff. But this is what we got for now, so I figured it would be good to set this all up. And thanks for watching me unpack all my clothes. Okay, so I'm on FaceTime with Marangely right now, so if you hear, like right now. Shush. Am I even recording? My brother's